Come on, Earl. Come and eat. Look. Got you a toy. Come on, Buster. Hi, Percy the bird. You having breakfast? Skitch, 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 skitch. You gonna sing? Come on. You were just singing. Why are you being a weirdo? Come on, I got you some stuff at the dollar quarter store. Come on. Come on. Let's go have breakfast. Come on. Come here. I have all kinds of goodies for you. Come here, look. I have you a toothbrush. You want a toothbrush, Percy? No, okay. Earl, I got you something. I can never get these things.
Is it a light up?
It's a light up ball. It's supposed to be orange. Buster, come up here and eat breakfast with Dad. Look, Earl, I got you a cape. It's got double horns. What do you think? Come on, Buster. Look. Here. Come here. About the only thing I can get him at the dollar store that he'll play with. You ready? Don't you bite. Come on, play ball. Good job. Yeah. Here, Percy, you want to see the ball? Look, boss. I got you. You hit the jackpot because you like a lot more stuff than he loves these things. Mm-hmm. He destroys them. I got you a binky. You want your bink? There you go. Life is good. You want a binky? Here. No. Come out of your box and eat breakfast. Here, look. Look, here's a cape. You gonna let Dad put a cape on you for Halloween? Here, I got you some other stuff. There's that. There's your ball, Earl. Percy, they didn't have any little parrot toys or anything that I could find for you.
He holds that one piece. So he uses it.
Mm-hmm. Earl, come over here and eat. Come here. Come and eat.
Here's a good bowl.
That's his outside bowl. Ready? You ready? Good job. Here, let's sing. Hit the high note. There you go. Do your whistle, see if he'll copy you. That. I don't know what it is about that toy that he likes to attack it like that. Look at you, sassy thing. You being sassy? All right, let's end on a good note. Here. Say, Percy the bird. Are we having breakfast together, Earl? Did we get banished to the deck? Buster won't stay off the floor, so we had to come out here with the dogs so that there can be peace. What do you think of that thing? Is that thing a jerk? What are you doing? doing up there? Huh? You're so funny. Hey, Earl. What's the word of the day? You got a word of the day? The word of the day is... No word of the day? Too early yet, right? Sorry. Say thanks for watching. Handsome little handsome. Getting some fan time.